Yes, fundamental concepts of geometry. Let us start this. So first we will study what is line. First we will study what is line. First we will study what is line. Write this. First we will study what is line. So a line has, we draw the line. Yes, a line has, you can draw the line. A line has, wait. A line has, yes, right. Line, what is line? It has arrow, it has arrow at both the end. The line has arrow at both the end. Yes, it is clear, right? It has arrow at both the end. Write down. Yes, mute the microphone. Three pages you leave. Write down. A line has arrow at both the end. A line has arrow at both the end. So this end we name it as A. This end we name it as this end we name it as B. So a line has right, it is very much clear, right? A line has arrow at both the end. A line has arrow at both the end. Yes, a line has arrow at both the end. Write on this. Wait. A line has arrow at both the end. Yes. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Chapter number 10. Mute the microphone. A line has arrow at both the end. Both the end can be extended. Dash means you can extend the line. You can extend the line from arrow ends. Yes. A line has arrow at both the end. Both the end it has arrow means both the end arrow means arrow can be extended. So write arrows can be extended. Arrows can be extended. Dash means it can be extended. Arrows can be extended. Arrows can be extended at both sides. Arrows can be extended at both sides. So a line has no end point. Yes, a line has no end point. Right. A line has no end points. Whenever it is arrow means it can be extended further. Right. Arrow means it can be extended further. Arrow means it can be extended further. So dash means you can extend this line from A side. You can extend this line from B side. So arrows can be extended at both sides. So a line has no end points. So whenever we can extend the line from this side, arrow side, we can extend the line from arrow side, B side. So whenever we can extend the line, whenever we can extend the line, yes, both of you will be removed. Please take care of this. whenever we can extend the line from both the end, means a line has no end points. There are no end points. Whenever arrow is there means it has no end point. Whenever arrow is there means it can be extended. So it can be extended means there is no end point. There is no end point. So we write, so whenever, wait, yes, so whenever the line can be extended, it will not have definite length. Wait, a line has, right, a line has no definite length because it can be extended. It can be extended from both the arrow side. It can be extended. Yes. Yes, ask. Ask, my dear. Yes. Today I will send it. Do not worry. Yes. A line has no definite length. Definite means fixed. A line has extended at both sides. A line has no definite length. A line has no definite length. Since it can be extended from each side, the length is not definite. The length is not definite. Definite means fixed. The length is not fixed because the line can be extended from both the arrow sides. The line can be extended from both the arrow sides, so it has no definite length. And second, last one, it is denoted as, how we read this? We read AB, we write AB, then on the top of AB we write the line. Arrow at both the side means it is line. Yes. Arrow at both the side means it is a line. This you remember. Yes. No, it is clear, right? Whenever there is arrow at both the side means it is a line. Whenever there is, yes. Denoted as we have written AB. On the top of AB we have on the top of the AB you see the adjustment of your phone. A line has arrow at both the side. Whenever there is arrow at both the side means it is line. You see the board. You don't see at me. See the board. The line has arrow at both the side. Arrow means dash means it can be extended. Everything is clear. Please, you see the adjustment of your phone. It is very much clear, right? It is denoted as AB. Yes, right. Line means it has arrow at both the side. Arrows and line means it has arrow at both the sides. And whenever it is arrow at both the side, arrow means this can be extended further. Since a line can be extended at both the side, it has no fixed length. It has no definite length. A line has no definite length because it can be extended at, yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes. Mute the microphone. A line has arrow at both the end. Both side you have arrow. whenever there is arrow means I have written A, then dash dash dash. I have written B, then I have written dash dash dash. Means A is extended further and B is extended further. So whenever there is arrow, listen to me. Why are you speaking in between? Whenever there is arrow means you can extend it at that side. So A dash 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 means A is extended further. Then B dash 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 means B is extended further. So board is very much clear. So whenever there is arrow at both the side, it can be extended further. A line has no end point, and since A and B can be extended further, there is no fixed length. The line AB has no fixed length. Fixed means definite. So when a line has arrow at both the end, whenever you will see arrow at both the end means it is line. Whenever you will see arrow at, it is denoted as it is denoted as AB, then we put the arrow on the top of AB, means that arrow AB means it is line AB. Don't tell me what I have to do, I will do that. Arrow AB means it is line AB. So this you have to remember, whenever there is arrow at both the end, arrow at both the side means the line can be extended from that arrow side. That means A and B are not fixed. They can be extended further because it is arrow. Arrow means it can be extended further. So first we have seen line. My dear, which textbook you are referring? I am asking you, you refer Maths All the Way textbook. In that chapter number 10 is Fundamental Concept to Geometry. Yes, I will send it. Now second is line segment, right? Second is line segment. Now let us see the line segment. A line segment, yes. Second is line segment. Now what is that line segment? We have one line. Now this at this end there is one dot. At this end there is one dot. This end we write A, and this end we write B. Now line has arrow at both the sides, whereas line segment has no arrow at any side. A line segment has no arrow at both the sides. So write a line segment has no arrow. A line segment has no arrow at both sides. A line segment has no arrow at both sides. Both sides there is no arrow. Yes, wait. Since there is no arrow at each side, means I cannot extend A further. I cannot extend A because there is no arrow. I cannot extend B because there is no arrow. That means this AB, the length AB is fixed. The length AB is fixed because it cannot be extended. But a line segment, so since it cannot be extended from any side, it will have definite length. A line segment has definite length. Definite means fixed. Definite means fixed. Definite, or you can say stroke fixed. A line segment has fixed length because it cannot be extended from, whenever there is arrow means you can extend, and whenever there is no arrow means you cannot extend. So there is no arrow at A, so I cannot extend further. There is no arrow at B, so I cannot extend further. That means A and B are fixed. So between them we have a fixed length because A and B cannot be extended. Then a line segment, right? A line segment is denoted by a line segment is denoted as we read this as AB, we write this AB, then on the top of AB we write one line, horizontal line. On the top of AB we write one horizontal line with no arrow. On the top of AB we write one horizontal line with no arrow. There is no arrow means it is line segment. Whenever there is arrow at both the side means it is line. Whenever there is arrow at both the side means it is line. Whenever there is no arrow at any side, that means it is a line segment. There is no arrow. So it is line segment. Whenever there is arrow at A, arrow at B means it is line. And since there is no arrow at A, I cannot extend A further. Since there is no arrow, whenever there is arrow means you can extend. Whenever there is arrow means you can extend. Page number 141. Yes. So, right. So, this A is end point. This A is end point. End point. B is also end point. B is also end point. So, a line segment has two end points. Wait, right. A line segment has two endpoints. A line segment has how many endpoints? Two endpoints. A and B has two endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints, whereas the line has no endpoint. A line has no endpoint, but the line segment has two endpoints. This is my endpoint A, this is my endpoint B. Whenever there is arrow, arrow is not the endpoint. Arrow means you can extend further. But whenever there is dot, means it is endpoint. So line has no endpoint, whereas line segment has two endpoints. Line has no endpoint, whereas line segment has two endpoints. Now let us see the third one. Let us see the third one. That is Let us see the third one. That is ray. Wait. Let us see the third one. That is called ray. R-A-Y. Ray. We have seen line. It is clear, right? We have seen line. Then we have seen line. Then we have seen line segment. Now it is third. Third is ray. First we have seen line. Line has two arrow at both the side. Line segment has no arrow at both the side. Arrow means it can be extended. Whenever there is no arrow means it cannot be extended. So now what is ray? Ray. Let us take this point and let us take this point and we write the arrow at this side. So this is my A and this is my B. Now ray means one dot and one arrow. Ray means it is one dot and one arrow. Now this dot is end point. This dot is end point. So can I extend from A side? Tell me. Can I extend the ray from A? No. From which end we can extend? Wherever there is arrow. Yes, I can extend the so we write dash dash dash. We write dash 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 because it is arrow at B side. Arrow at B side. So write a ray has how many endpoint ray has? Tell me. How many endpoint? One endpoint. Because it is one endpoint is A. From B side we have arrow. Arrow means it can be extended. Whenever it can be extended means it is not the endpoint. So only one point. Array has one endpoint. Array has one endpoint. Array has one endpoint. Second thing, whether length will be definite or yes, whether length will be definite or indefinite. Tell me. Can you fix the length? Yes. Can you fix the length? No. Because A is fixed. A is fixed. But I can extend from B side. So the length is not fixed because B can be extended. So we write array has no definite length. Array has no definite length. Yes, array has no definite length. Array has no definite length because A is fixed but B can be extended. So I cannot fix the length. Array has no definite length. Array has no definite length. See, clear? So whenever there is one dot, one arrow. Wait, one dot, one arrow means it is a ray. One dot, one arrow means it is a ray. Right. A ray has, write down. A ray has one dot. Array has one dot, that is endpoint. Array has one endpoint, that is dot, and one arrow. Array has one dot and one arrow. One dot, one arrow means it is a ray. One dot, one arrow means it is a ray. Whenever there are two dots, it is a line segment. Whenever there are two arrows, it is a line. So we write this, it is denoted as yes, you can write, it can be extended from one side, yes. It is denoted as AB, we write AB, then we write one dot and one arrow. One dot, one arrow means ray AB. One dot, one arrow means it is ray AB. So there should be the clear understanding between line segment and ray. Line segment and ray. Line has two arrows. Then line segment has two dots. And then ray has one dot, one arrow. Ray I have explained, no. This is the point. This is the point. This is the point. From this point we draw the line. We put the arrow B, means this side is extended. This side it is extended, but it cannot extend this side. So this is the end point. So now let us make the table. Let us make the table. So, yes, right. It is clear, right? Array has one endpoint. Yes, right. Array has one endpoint. Array has no definite length. The length is not fixed. The length is not fixed because it can be extended from B side. it can be extended from B side, so the length is not fixed. So now we have to make the table. Yes, you have to make the table. You have to make the table. Yes, right. You can make the table. So write, my dear, it is clear, right? Yes, right. No. You don't have to draw that table. I am drawing the table. That table you have to draw. Yes. Mute the microphone. It is. No. I am drawing the table. Yes. You also draw the table. Wait. No. I will explain. Why worry? So write down this. Make this. Make this table. Make this table. 4 columns are there. 4 columns are there. That you see in the video. 4 columns are there. 4 columns are there. 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are there. 4 columns are there. Draw this. With hand only you draw. So first we write line. First we write line. Pen. Then we write line segment. Then we write line segment. This is my line segment. Then we write ray. Please. Wait. First you draw this. First draw the table. Line segment, ray. Do not discuss. Do not show me. Yes. Yes. Now first we write arrow. On another page. Yes, write down this arrow. We write arrows. Then we write points. We write arrows. We write points. Then we talk about length. Then we talk about length. Arrows, points, length. And length. Then we talk about endpoints. These 4 things we'll study. First we will see this line. A line has how many arrows? Yes, tell me. A line 2. So in this we write 2. A line has 2 arrows. A line segment has how many arrows? Yes, line segment 0. A line segment has 0 arrows. Then a ray has how many arrows? 1 arrow. Yes, we write 1. A ray has 1 arrow. Then we see about these points. A line has how many points? Yes, 0. We write 0. Yes. Then a line segment has how many points? 2. Yes, 2. Then a ray has how many points? 1. A ray has 1 point. Then we talk about length. Yes, see this line is having arrow at both the end, so both the end can be extended. Whenever we extend both the end, the length is not fixed. We write length not fixed. Infinite, or we say not fixed. We write not fixed. the length is not fixed. The length of the line is not fixed. What about length of line segment? Fixed. Yes, because there is no arrow at any side, means the length is fixed. The length is fixed. Right. Then we talk about now see here. What is the length of ray? Now this ray, no, it is not fixed at one side. No, see, one side can be extended. So whenever you extend one side, it is not fixed. Whenever you extend one side, it is not fixed. So no, we talk about length. The length is not fixed because this side it can be extended. This side it can be, it is clear, right? This, yes. A ray is a part of the line, yes. Now we talk about end point. Wait, we talk about end points. A line has how many end points? A line has how many end points? 0, because both the side we have arrow. So once both the side we have arrow, both the side can be extended. So there are no end points. So we write 0. We write 0 end points for line. A line segment has how many end points? Line segment has how many end points? 2 end points. A ray has how many end points? 1. Yes, this is my end point. So we write 1. And this is the table. This is the table which you have to remember. Arrows. A line has how many arrows? 2 arrows. A line segment has how many arrows? 0. A ray has how many arrows? 1. A line segment has how many points? 0. A line segment has how many points? 2. A ray has how many end point? 1. A line segment is length, arrow at both the sides, so length is not fixed. Now there is no arrow at any side, so the length is fixed. Ray, this side can be extended, so it is not fixed. Then end points for line, 0 end points. End point for line segment, 2 end points. Then end point for ray, there is 1 end point. So this table you have to remember. And tomorrow you must have the geometry box. Tomorrow all of you must have the geometry box. Bye. Yes. Bye.